Here.
Are you fishing, little girl?
Here's some lobster.
I think your line has got something on it.
It does. It does. Pull it in.
Really?
What is it?
Is it heavy? Pull it in. What's on it?
It's a big old catfish. It looks like a catfish. Is that a catfish?
Bailey sure is barking like it's a catfish. Bailey doesn't like catfish.
It's a dog and a catfish.
A dog and a catfish?
We can cut the fish so we can eat them.
Ooh, I don't do that. Dad has to do that.
What will we eat it with?
But you always do.
No, I cook it. Daddy guts it. It's
Yeah.
called gutting a fish. You
Ew.
cut its head off and clean it all up so you can cook it. Dad guts the fish. I cook the fish. You
Okay.
eat the fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want me to cut its guts out?
Yep.
I'm talking to you, Lily. Allie.
Want
Allie.
Dad to do that?
Yeah.
You want me to cut its head off? The head off? You want me to cut the fish's head off?
I think.
And take its guts out?
I think.
How about if we just eat a salad?
Okay.
That sounds good. Okay. If we catch one, we'll let it go.
A fish salad.
Ooh.
Salad. Okay. Say goodbye.